Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have one of my favorite boxes, Fruit for Thought. So I did open it just to take a peek. This is what it looks like inside. I don't know how much this box costs. It'll be on the screen, but it is one of my favorite boxes. There is a giveaway going on right now that is linked down below, and right now there are 3 winners, but if you guys can help me get to 3,000 subscribers before the end of June, I will up that to 4 winners, and there are Jeffree Star products in those winnings. Any other information would be listed down below if I have any other information. All right, so I open it up, and it's May theme. Lavender lemon. June theme will be blueberry garden. Okay. And I can never remember which box I have. They do have a couple of different boxes. They have like a mini box. I think this is the bigger, I would think, because it's like in the $40 range, so I think that this is the bigger one. And it does tell you like what's in your box, but it doesn't give prices, so that's not helpful. I don't know why it took me forever to see that it did not list prices on that. Anyway, that's what happens when I don't sit down forever to record. Like, I just forget what I'm supposed to be doing. Let's see. So this is a free download bundle. It's a lavender lemon wall art bundle, and it is a trio of self-containing 2 lavender plants and 1 center lemon bouquet. Okay, so there you go. And there's get an additional 40% off. You guys can use that. I won't use it. And let's see. The first thing I am pulling out is this Urban Essential Lavender Essential Oil Towelettes. Okay. I'm happy with that. Those can actually go in the car. Yeah, these will either go in the car or in my purse when we travel or something like that, since it's tiny. There is that. The next thing I am pulling out is Refreshing Lemon Iced Tea. Oh, that's cool. That's a cute little packaging too. So just on the back, it tells you how to make it. Let's see. I love iced tea, so that is cool. I was raised in Texas, so I really, really miss sweet tea. But and when I first came to Ohio, I actually used to make sweet tea a lot. But now that I'm getting older, I prefer less sugar. So there's that. The next thing I am pulling out is the Lemon Keeper. Oh, that's cool. So you just keep open lemons in there to keep them fresh. Cool, I like that. The next thing I am pulling out, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a magnet. Okay. Beautiful, and it's just a little wooden magnet. I guess maybe we could read about it. Let's see. Okay, wow, that took me a long time to find that. It's just a magnet. It doesn't really say that it's handmade or, well, no, it does say. It says hand-stitched magnet. So, that's fine. We only have, the only thing that is magnetized in our fridge are the sides of our refrigerator. And I do collect magnets, but generally they are travel magnets. So like, when I travel, I'll pick up, like I have a magnetized bottle opener from Alcatraz, that sort of thing. So, it's cute, but I'll probably just pass it along. I don't know. Let's see, what's next? So this is a bath bomb, and it is lavender rosemary essential oil. I actually cannot smell it, and that looks like fairly thin paper, unless it's wrapped in like plastic underneath that, but I can't actually smell it through here, but and to me, I mean, that's a good sign because I don't like lavender products that are overly scented in lavender, so that I think that'll work out great. And the last thing I am pulling out are lemon cake batter cookies. Ooh, chewy and soft. Let's have a taste, shall we? Oh, they're all wrapped up. Well, of course they would be wrapped up. Why wouldn't they be all wrapped up? Those are really good. Sorry, that's what they look like. Those are really good. They're really soft and tasty. So that is it for Fruit for Thought for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.